One cool thing about Norway is Saft. And since we have already established that Saft is completely Norwegian and no other country in the whole world makes it, now we're gonna try the best Saft there is. So this one is a little bit different than the last one because this one here says 1 part of Saft to 4 parts of water. Husholdning is the original Safta. So let's check it out. This is my first time. So, that's a bit too unbelievable. Can't believe that I did that. Okay, let's try this again. Is that enough? Not too much. I don't know. Well, let's just try. All right, we're gonna see if it's been too much Saft in here or not. And yes, you can drink the tap water. All right. It's good, but call me crazy. I think it needs more Saft. Tell me if I did this right. It is good, but I think it needs more Saft. But that could be the American in me that just needs more of everything. Skål.